Welcome to the Elgin County Railway Museum's Artifact Spotlights. Here is a Keystone Railroad tool grinder. This hand crank grinder was used to sharpen tools used on the railway, such as the adze, which was commonly used on railroad ties for notching them for grades or around fasteners. The grinder would have been mounted to a workbench. It would also have a tool rest to hold the workpiece steady while it was being ground. The railway workers would have had various tool rests to support the wide variety of tools required to maintain the track.